In this video, I will detail how to set my highest only password on Snapchat. So if you are using Snapchat and you want to use my highest only when you keep your pictures or photos, then this video is going to show you how you can actually set the password or the passcode. So if none of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set my highest only password on Snapchat, all you just need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then make sure you're on the camera page. If you're on the maps page just like this, click on the camera icon. Then on the camera icon, swipe up like this to go to memories. So while on the memory page, you want to scroll to the left like this. Keep scrolling until you get to my highest only. Then under my highest only, you can see snap you move here can only be seen after you've entered my highest only passcode. Then go ahead and click on setup. Then here you'll be prompted to create my highest only passcode on your Snapchat account. Go ahead and type in the passcode. Then confirm the passcode again. Then if you see confirm passcode here, this is my highest only passcode. Go ahead and click on continue. Now you should see setup complete, that is finished. Then go ahead and click on finish. Once you tap that, then my highest only password or passcode will be set. So that is basically how to set my highest only passcode or password on Snapchat. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.